Anna from Anhui Guotai Aluminum. This is our company. Anhui Guotai Aluminum Industry. Let me show you our workshop and the product. This is our workshop. And we also have new building. It is on the decoration. This is our product, aluminum profiles. This is our product. Okay, we have worked with Mr. Jack for around 1 month, and I like his service very much. He very actively to help us to open new markets and find new buyers, and he also help us to check with to call and send email to customers. Very actively, and we are very satisfied with his work, and we would like to continue working with him. Thank you.